And now let's go to an authentic Indian curry house.
It's called Tandoor.
Tandoor Indian Restaurant.
And how long has it been going for?
It's like more than 31 years now ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Compared to Japanese curry, this looks nothing like it. This is completely different.
It's Indian, that's why.
What is the difference then between a Japanese curry, like from your view?
I don't find like authenticity. Yeah, like Indian has like different spices. They use like all sort of spices. If you eat their food, you can feel like the same taste in the other one. If I make a dal, if I make the aloo gobi, so you will find a different taste in it. Today we are going to make chicken curry, very simple, easy recipe that everybody can make it at their place. We need chicken, cumin seeds, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, red chili, bay leaf cinnamon stick, salt, red chili powder, green chili, fresh coriander, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, and butter.
You're using a lot of fresh spices here. Why is that important?
Because if we use fresh spices, it gives you fresh aroma. Fresh, if you put a fresh spices, it give you fresh aroma. If you use the old one, they don't have aroma, no taste. This is the very easiest way. You can make it chicken in like 20-30 minutes, easy. And prep time probably 10 minutes. So you have to buy a chicken, then you need to chop your onion and your tomato, ginger and garlic and other spices, that's it. What else you need? First we're going to add some oil. While it's heating up, what you can do, you can put some bay leaves, then your cardamom, your cinnamon stick and peppercorn with it. Then after you can add some cumin seed. Okay, so you can see your oil is already heat up now. So it's so it's time to add some onion in it. You can see the onion color is changing now. So just need to wait for 20-30 seconds. Then you need to add some garlic. Yeah. And you can add some chopped ginger, and you can see turning golden brown now. So we need to put turmeric powder. Turmeric has lots of benefits. It's quite healthy. In India, every person use the turmeric in their food. It gives you flavor, it gives you healthy benefits, and gives you color also. You can see the oil color now is changing.
Wow.
Yeah. Fresh turmeric you can't use it because fresh turmeric you have to dry them and then you need to make a powder. In India, some places they use like fresh turmeric, but I'm from northern part, so we don't use like fresh turmeric. We use it like this way. Now it's time to add some tomato.
Oh, nice.
Chopped tomato. We need to put salt to taste. So now you can add some garam masala over here. So 1 teaspoon or like 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala. So now we need to add some coriander powder over here. Almost 2 teaspoon of coriander powder. At this stage, what you can do, if you want to put some water, you can put some water. Now we are putting some red chili powder to give nice color. So we need to mix them well. You can see it's turning to red now. You can put some more water here. At this stage, you can put some green chili. If you want spicy, you can put more chili. If you want less spicy, then put less chili.
And what's the difference between using a green chili and a red chili?
Yeah, good question. When you put fresh green chili, it gives you fresh taste. It's like, very strong taste. And it doesn't give you color. That's why we use powder. So green chili for the little spicy and freshness. So you can see there's no tomato, no onion. You can't see it's like a becoming paste now. So it's time to add chicken. So we can put some chicken here. You can use all type of chicken, but we use chicken legs over here. Yeah, you can use boneless, you can use with the bones. What I use with the bones. Bones give you more flavor. So now we need to see. Oh wow. Yeah, it's becoming thicker now. At this stage, we need to add some butter. Chicken. So yes, yeah.
So this is the curry you cook.
Yes.
Is that basmati rice?
Yes, these are the basmati rice. You can see.
Even the rice has a smell that you can't. I don't smell in with normal like Taiwanese rice. I don't get that.
Yeah, because these are the special rice from India, not from here.
Why don't you just use Chinese rice?
Because basmati rice, if you go to India, so this is the basmati rice. You can see it has a different taste and aroma. The difference?
Completely different. The texture is. It's more chewy, but it's quite. I feel it's quite hard, a bit harder as well.
Yeah.
And I don't know why, but I like it a lot more than the rice I normally have. If I go to a Japanese curry store, it doesn't taste anything like that.
No, because they don't use basmati rice. They do the jasmine, the different rices.
Tell me about your naan bread. How did you make it?
We make it in a tandoor. It has like a fine flour. So you know, we make a dough, then we put it, and then we make it, and we put some little bit butter to give it like more richness.
Crunchy, quite hard, but buttery, smooth. It's got everything I like about it.
And try with the chicken now.
Oh wow, this is what you cooked. A tiny bit of rice.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god. I've never had a curry like that even in England. Let me tell you, as the time goes by, every second that goes by, a new spice is popping up in my mouth. I mean, I don't know what it is. It's like some popping stuff, some popping feeling. This is too good to be true.
Yeah, different.
It's completely different. It's like not even different. It's like 100 differences in one. You just don't find that anywhere else. I haven't found that since I've come to Taiwan.
Oh, thank you.
I mean, I've been to some Indian restaurants and they all seem to focus on Taiwan tastes and keep everything like at one type of taste, not such an array of flavors in one.
Yeah.
This is brilliant. This is absolutely brilliant.
That's why we are in the market for last 31 years. And there was like a myth, Taiwanese people don't like Indian food, they don't like a buttery and other type of spicy food. But I'm here since 6 months and people like Indian food and they eat like this kind of stuff. That's why we are making.
And so you haven't adapted anything to the Taiwanese tastes?
We are serving as it is, like a pure Indian food.
I'm going to be talking to Sulin, who's actually been working. How long have you been working here for?
32 years.
How come you liked Indian food? Because over 30 years ago, that must have been very different in Taiwan. Like, I think no one in Taiwan, even people in Taiwan now have no idea about Indian food.
No, because my father is cook. Before he owned one small restaurant, and he always cooked different food for us.
What did he cook like different? Like
a Taiwanese food or Japanese food. So we only use small one. We already used to so many kind of countries' food. So I like more flavor.
And how about now? Do you still eat like food in Taiwan, Taiwanese food now?
Yeah.
You still do?
But less.
What's the difference in the spice between like Taiwanese food and with Indian food?
No, because Taiwanese food, spicy means it's spicy, means it's use chili. But the Indian chili, that means we use so many kind of flavors, masala. So maybe you will feel that it's spicy, but only in your tongue. Actually, it's not go to your throat, your stomach, but you still feel its flavor. But Taiwanese, they don't understand because the chili. Because in the Taiwanese, if we say this food is chili, that means chili. Because they are cooking by the chili. Maybe it's red chili, maybe it's chili, green chili, but it's chili.
If your best Taiwanese friends are going for a Japanese curry and they've never tried this, what would you tell them?
I say you must challenge your tongue because we have so many flavor. Then you will open your tongue and suck those spice in your mouth.
What do you think of Japanese curry?
Because in Taiwanese, we used to the Japanese curry because there are so many histories problem. But Japanese curry for me is only the sweet, not so many masala, and his tikka is used the potato and so many like fruit, like apple, everything. Not so many masala. So for me, the not so like because the no flavor.
I need to say, if you haven't tasted this curry or haven't had any authentic Indian curry, then you've really missed out. I mean, I would even like to go as far as to say that you will have no idea what real curry is. You really got to get down and go to one of these places and try it out. Or get the ingredients and try it yourself at home. Voila!